Okay, spark plug number 1 out. And I've just cleaned it and blown it a little bit. It's not too bad, but it was full of grunge. There was some muck in there. Still is. Needs a lot of cleaning out. Came out of there. Nothing to see in there. And used spanner size. Where is it? 19mm. I don't know if you can see that there, but it's a 19mm socket. Right, here's the spark plug for this side, right there. Spark plug cap off, and very rusty looking spark plug just there. Now, let's see if I can get the, oops, I'm going to need the extension for this. Okay. Where'd I put the extension? Back in the toolbox, of course. These are all extensions along. I might use the shorter extension. I don't know that I'll need the long one. All tools there you can poke a stick at. That's because I used to work on tractors. Yeah, it's long enough to get in there. Just now. I think I'm going to need to stop this right.